guys, today's session we'll be having on interventional radiology hardware. So this is one topic which will be for sure asked in your table viva in your practical examinations. And even when you will be having interventional radiology related theory questions, whether it is related to biopsy, radiofrequency ablation, bronchial artery embolization, uterine artery embolization, koi bhi procedure ho, there is going to be, this session will help you in everything, because ये हमारा basics और जो concepts हैं, this will be a concept building session, so that once we are understanding जो basic hardware use होता है, तो उस हिसाब से कोई भी procedure में we don't have to rectify, everything will be logically understood. अगर हमें सारे basic instruments, उनके uses, उनके parts, where to use them, how to take care of those instruments, अगर ये चीजें समझ में आ जाती हैं, so we are good to go for any high-end interventions as well. Okay. So we will be starting with this session. Chaliye. So I want to start with this quote, which is very important in our radiology residency, in our training. It is not always a linear curve. There are lots of ups and downs. We have good days, bad days, and ugly days. So if you can't fly, then run. If you can't run, then try to walk. If you can't walk, then crawl. But whatever you do, you have to keep moving forward. There is no time to sit back and cry over spilt milk. Jitna bhi time bacha, if you're exam going students, you still have a good amount of time to revise everything. And if you're in your first year and second year, you have a lot of time to build your concepts and to gain a level of competence as well as confidence in this field of radiology. Just remember this quote and always keep moving forward. There's no looking back. So आज का जो हमारा lecture है उसके क्या contents हैं? So we'll start with introduction into IR, the Seldinger technique, which is so phenomenal. Then we will have various instruments starting with our needles, guide wires, vascular sheath, catheter, and time permits. So we will take stents. Otherwise, we will be having subsequent parts of this IR hardware. So we will be taking up rest of the instruments and embolic materials and other miscellaneous instruments in part 2 and part 3. Okay. So sab kuch is fine, audio, video, right? I'm moving forward. Everything is cool. Koi bhi issue aate hai, so let me know in the chat box. I will be there to help you. We'll try to take up the doubts at the end of this session, right? So that we are not wasting time in between. So jo bhi aapke doubts hain, jot it down, and at the end of the session, we'll be addressing all the doubts. Okay. So a basic about IR, what are the types of procedures that we have? So we have the non-vascular interventions. Non-vascular interventions में what do you have? ये आपको just try to interact है ना, आप अपने mind में speak करो, जो भी आपको मन में याद आ रहा है interventions, just speak it out. The more interactive this session is going to be, the longer you're going to retain this stuff for the long term. और वो चीज ज्यादा important है, right? Long term stuff. So biopsy we all know, day in and day out, biopsies, FNACs, ये हम करते रहते हैं routinely, OPD basis पे भी. Then we have the drainage procedures. So you get a lot of abscess, localized, loculated collections, pseudocysts, जिनको drain करना होता है. Biliary procedures such as the PTBD and stenting is also done in a lot of institutions nowadays. Then you have आजकल fetal interventions में, this is the new, the trend where you can go for a chorionic villus sampling, you can do fetal blood transfusions, you can go for amniocentesis. All this is also in vogue nowadays. Then skeletal procedures में, such as bone biopsy, vertebroplasty procedures, radiofrequency ablation. So can you see my marker? Whatever I'm trying to annotate, is that visible? Just write down in the chat quickly if it's visible, everything is fine. Chali, very good, cool. अच्छा, पेन मैनेजमेंट में भी there is a lot of role. We can give nerve blocks, and oncology में तो there is so much of upcoming role also. All kinds of tumors anywhere in the body, HCC, RCC, you have a lot of role. इसके अलावा you have women's imaging, such as your breast biopsies, your uterine artery embolization, among other things. So today IR का बहुत scope है. Almost in all genres of medical field, IR is penetrating and it is having its clear and distinct role. This was some non-vascular stuff. Then we have our vascular interventions as well. जैसे कि arterial, number 2 venous, and number 3 lymphatic. ठीक है? So what are some common IR procedures? Arterial वाले, you can write down in the chat box. Whatever IR procedures you know. Arterial access जिसमें होता है, artery के through जो हम करते हैं. Okay, very good. Coiling pseudoaneurysms, that is neurointerventions. What apart from that? Even your peripheral arteries, na? Kitni baar peripheral arteries also we have to treat. Whether it is a peripheral arterial disease, where we have to do arterioplasty, we have to put stenting, uterine artery embolization, bronchial artery embolization, genicular artery embolization for that matter. Kahin pe bhi bleeding ho raha hai, so we can put embolic agents, right? Any kind of variceal bleeding, bronchial artery embolization, lot of PPH is happening, yeah, submucosal fibroid is bleeding a lot, so uterine artery embolization. To check for the vascularity of tumors, ये सारा diagnostic है, right? So when you do a flush angiogram and you have to look कहाँ से contrast leak हो रहा है, so that you can localize which is the target vessel जिसको हमें embolize करना है या ligate करना है, and also in peripheral artery disease. So this is the diagnostic means angiographic role of IR. And then there is a lot of therapeutic role as well in cases of angioplasty, remodeling of the vessel, kahin pe bhi stenosis ho gaya hai, so balloon directed dilatation, stenting, and thrombus ho jata hai, so you can go for a thrombolysis, you can go for a thrombectomy, as well as embolization. Kahin pe bhi bleeding ho raha hai kisi bhi artery se, uski branch vessel se, so you can do occlusion of that bleeding perforator. So this is the role of arterial access procedures, diagnostic as well as therapeutic. Now we will have certain venous. तो venous में कौन-कौन से procedures आपने अपने institute में देखे हैं? In your institutions, what all venous procedures have you assisted, or if they have given you a chance to perform one as well? Just name the few venous procedures you routinely होते हैं. Right? Very common done. Venous procedures such as your DVT. अब अगर acute thrombosis है तो उसका हम क्या करना चाहेंगे? Thrombolysis. No problem. No IR department. You can always do 1 year fellowship and you can learn a lot. SRship also you can do from some different institute. Chronic setting में we can do a stenting. What about IVC filter? है ना? कभी भी हमें risk of pulmonary embolism होता है. It is a lot of DVT is happening, and especially below calf DVT. So to prevent the risk of pulmonary embolism, we can use IVC filters and place them. Then there is sclerotherapy procedure, which is done for incompetent perforator as well as for venous malformations. Varicose vein treatment, this is so much done, bread and butter procedure, whether radiofrequency ablation or it is done with the laser, that is EVLT procedures for varicose veins, varicocele, and your TIPS procedure is also done with the help of a venous access. Okay. So I hope this is making sense, and this is telling us the scope of IR in the modern world today. Then we have lymphatic में lymph nodes का FNAC, biopsy, lymph angiogram procedures, as well as coil or glue embolization of a leaking thoracic duct, and so on and so forth. Now we come to the historic Seldinger technique, right? So this was given by Sir Seldinger in 1953, and it was one of the most miraculous thing which was given, जिसने spark करा एक wave of interventional radiology across the world that people could not imagine. With a small hole, it is just like a laparoscopy. Like you have laparoscopy, which is completely replacing open surgeries. वैसे ही Seldinger technique is a micro access procedure which is replacing all the open surgeries today. So Seldinger technique is must know. This can be asked in theory, short note आ सकता है, this can be asked in your viva for sure. तो इसको समझते हैं अपन, what is our Seldinger's technique. सबसे पहले what you need to remember, इसमें क्या चीजें you have to put in a chronological order. सबसे पहले you need your puncture needle, उसके ऊपर you pass a guide wire, and after that you have to place your vascular sheath into place in the target artery or vein. And finally, once you have your vascular sheath, then there is no problem. You can use a lot of dilators, you can pass your specific catheters or your stents or your balloons over the vascular sheath, which is acting as a stable scaffold. So sheath is acting as a scaffold, a stable provider, जिसके ऊपर से you can exchange your different instruments such as catheters, dilators, stents and balloons. तो हमेशा इसी order में याद रखना है. Needle आएगा सबसे पहले, उसके ऊपर से pass the guide wire, and number 3 vascular sheath, and over vascular sheath you can exchange a hell lot of instruments. So this is my puncture needle. इसको मैं डालती हूँ. Okay, now I have to place it at an angle almost 30 degree to 45 degree depending. अब अगर वेन है तो इट इज गोइंग टू बी सुपरफिशियल स्ट्रक्चर, सो आई कैन हैव मोर ऑफ अ acute angle, say 30 degrees. But if it is a deep lying vessel, such as a deep artery, then I can use as much as 45-degree angle to get access into that particular vessel of interest. So this is with an angle and a puncture needle that I'm going to be puncturing my artery or vein, whichever is the desired vessel. इसके बाद मैं क्या करूंगी, once my needle is placed, I will see जैसे ही needle के hub पे the blood will come, that means कि आप सही जगह पे localize आपने किया है, needle is in the vessel. After that you have to, at that gush of blood itself, you have to pass your guide wire, which is step number C. Put your needle, जैसे ही blood आता है, at the hub of the needle you place your guide wire over the needle and ensure that guide wire is within the lumen of the artery. इसको कुछ लोग फ्लोरोस्कोपिकली भी इंश्योर कर लेते हैं, द पोजीशन ऑफ द गाइड वायर इज विद इन द टारगेट वेसल और नॉट. आफ्टर दैट यू हैव टू जेंटली रिमूव द नीडल while ensuring कि गाइड वायर डिस्प्लेस नहीं होना चाहिए. तो आप थोड़ा सा ट्रैक्शन दे सकते हो ऑपोजिट हैंड से, कीप द गाइड वायर इन प्लेस एंड रिमूव योर नीडल ओवर दिस गाइड वायर. देन यू हैव टू पुट योर, ये वाला स्टेप में, वैस्कुलर शीथ और योर कैथेटर, जो भी आपको उसमें अपना ट्यूब डालना है वेसल के अंदर. So that is how is your simple Seldinger technique. Anyone has any doubts regarding this? Seldinger